Okay, so what I will be going to do, let me put it as a comment. Okay, I will be explain what is the comment. Okay, let me put it as a comment, this whatever I put it over here, the sentence. So basically let's understand right now syntax in the Python. It is very easy. You know, previously if you learn the other programming language like C programming language, C++, you know, over there what we are doing, we are writing hash, include, space, greater than and less than. Inside we can say stdio dot h, isn't it? So this is exactly started your programming language. Then after we wrote it inside of that int main method, bracket open bracket close, then curly bracket open curly bracket close. This is the main function. Then we will going to write inside of the lot of things, isn't it, like a print f, the lot of things. So this is exactly syntax about your C programming language. But let me clear that a Python is not like that. Python is a higher level programming language. We do not need to write a large quantity of code, or we can say we do not need to write a many lines of code. Just suppose I want to print a hello world, I need to write only the one line, that is called print bracket open bracket close. Then after inside of the parenthesis we need to write, or we can say inside of the quotation, double quotation, we need to write the whatever you want to be a print. So hello world, I want to be a print. When you save this, so right now, okay professor, this is hash type of we need to write, this is no need, this is just I put it to the comment. If you want to remove also these things, you can remove also. Do you understand that? So if I want to print only the hello world, just we need to write a one line, that is called print hello world. That's it. Apart from, we do not need to write any kind of things. Okay, it is very easy, very simple, and it is the too much easiest programming language. Okay, then after you can see over here is the star are there. Try, before the try.py we have the star. What is exactly meaning of this star? Star meaning is this is the file which one you are going to write, or which one you are programming. It is not a save yet. So simple, you can use the shortcut key also, that is called save, control s saved, or else manually you can go to the file and over here we have the option save. When you save that, you can see there are no anymore star. Star meaning is you do not save yet a file. Okay, when you return to the print statement, or we can say hello world, or your printing statement, just we need to come over here in the another tabs from 1 2 3 4. The fourth number tab we have, that is called run. Just click over here run, and see we need to be a click on the run module. So we can click also run module, or else you can use the shortcut key from your keyboard, that is called F5. So you can use which one is preferring for you, which one is better for you. So I'm going to click over here. When I click, you can see my output is appear in the shell, not in my file. Did you see over here? I have the two things. One is my shell and another is my file, isn't it? So anytime whenever you want to run this file, just come to the over here run module F5. You can see you can able to run, you can able to execute your code again and again. Okay, there are simple method are there, and it is very easier. So guys, I want to add over here something little bit note, or I can say the experience. Do you know that the previously we started the what is that programming language name? It is the assembly programming language, isn't it? See, the assembly programming language is very tough. We need to write a lot of things. We need to declare the lot of things inside of that. Later, we learn the C programming language, isn't it? It is little bit easier and powerful, easier, and that much, you know, it is not that much of hard, isn't it? After your C programming language, we learn the something another programming languages, isn't it? So you can see right now, as compared to even your C, right now Python is a much easier programming language, isn't it? It is not that much of tough programming languages there, isn't it? Just simple, you need to write a whatever you want and it will be going to print, isn't it? So what you understand, the day by day when any new programming language are coming, it is a become a lot of closer, or we can say it is a very easy to write the code. Are you getting that? That's why we are saying that Python is a very powerful programming language. The it is near to like your guys writing as a English, isn't it? It is little bit closer you are writing to the English. That's why Python is easy, and that's why you can able to do to the artificial intelligence and other things. It is very easier also, and it is very so it's a similar how exactly we are writing a previously inside of the shell, isn't it? Inside of the shell, what we are writing directly to the command, and then after we are writing inside of the hello. Okay, I forgot the parenthesis, or we can say double quotation. Okay, and inside we are writing to the hello world, isn't it? Hello. If you want to use comma, you can use the comma also. Hello world. If you hit the enter button, you can see same thing are printing. Means only the thing is, if we want to write a one line, then we can use the shell. But if we want to write a multiple lines, then we need to use to the properly new file, isn't it? New file is important whenever we want to write a multiple lines. So let's try to the different printing statement. So what I will be going to write over here, I will be going to write hello world instead of I'm saying over here hello students. Okay, then after I will be going to write another printing statement. Okay, this is we are writing a multiple printing statement. Okay, hello world. After over here, welcome to my class. Okay, another one printing statement we will going to write. Then we can say over here inside of that, it's me, Professor Rohit Kadam, isn't it? It's very simple. Now what happened? At a one time, every printing statement will be going to print out, isn't it? So let's see. See over here, star again coming. What is the meaning of star? Star means I want to be a save this file. So file saved. You can use over here save also. Or let me right now use to the shortcut key. Control S saved. You can see right now no anymore existed. That is called star. Okay. Now after that, I need to go to the run button, and I want to be a click run module. If I don't want to use this one, I will be going to use a shortcut key F5. See, I click right now F5, or I press the F5. That's why what happened over here, my all printing statement right now it's executed. Very simple are there, very easy things are. Okay, it is not that much of difficult. Now after that, what we will going to learn in Python, whenever we are writing a syntax, there are little bit tricky things are there, that is we call as a indentation. Okay, let me show you what is exactly I want to mean that. So we have in the Python, okay, we have in the Python that is called Python indentation. Let me show you what exactly I want to mean. We have in the Python indentation are there. What is exactly meaning of indentation? Indentations are refer to the spaces at the beginning of a code line. Means simple are there. What happened right now? Suppose guys, I want to be write a something if statement. So this is the comment guys. You do not need to write this one. This is just for understanding purpose. Okay. So let me remove to the above thing, and I will be going to show you what is exactly indentation. Okay, if you want for your understanding purpose, let me write over here the thing what is exactly the indentation. Indentation means it is a refer to the space at the beginning of a code line. Okay, and that is very important. Now how it is exactly the happening? Now suppose I will be going to use over here if statement. Okay, it is you know that we have to the different statements are there, like a if statement, if else statement, else if statement, isn't it? So there are different statement are there. Let me try this. If my 5 is greater than 2, then after when I hit the enter button, you can say it's where align. It is the align over here. Let me show you again back. If I am using backspace right now, see my cursor is where when I hit the enter button, it is not coming down to the I, it is coming below to the 5. Means they are saying that whatever the space we want, this space is nothing but to the indentation.